Secondly, I would like to say a big thank you to the Honorable Attorney General, Mr. Godfrey Dami, for his great support and for representing the government at large in taking this matter up as an exceptional case, considering the situation of my 7-year-old son. My special thanks also go to all those who, in one way or the other, worked behind the scene to support my cause. Of course, I cannot forget to say thank you to all my lawyers who came to assist me in one way or the other since this matter started, and in particularly Mr. Andrew Votia, Gangster Tamaklu, John Kwame, Quincy, Ohine Nana, please, my English is no good, so the way I said, please forgive me. Felix Nana Osei, etc. And the rest of the legal team.
We know.
I also want to thank persons like those called celebrities, the Nigerian blogger Mofa, CCB Niger, Tonto DK, Linda Nkeji, Tunde Ednots, Cardi B, my spirit twinnie, DKB, Reggie Rackstone, the legendary, Sarkodie, Efia Noftana, Habiba Sinari, Nana McBrown, the legendary, Kwakesier, Prince Kennedy, Nation blogger, Nkokonsam, Zion Felix, GH Hyper, Ronnie is everywhere. A lot, all my bloggers. Please, I can't mention all of you, your name, but please, I'm so grateful. I saw everything when I came back. I saw all the support you use your blog to do for me, especially the hashtag Free Akuapem Poloo. I saw it and I was home, but I was still crying because I didn't know I had so much people who love me like this. And finally, I want to thank the rest of my fans, both home and abroad, especially my lovely brothers and sisters in Nigeria and the rest of Africa for standing by me in this matter. And last but not the least, to my pastors and all religion leaders who in one way or the other said a prayer for me on this matter. I say God bless you all. In fact, I cannot finish thanking everyone, but God bless everyone for me. I really appreciate everything. Thank you so much. Thank
Okay, Chief. Yeah, go ahead.
me, me papa no. Me mama no ma. Omo wa se, anyo mo wa se. outside Ghana. Me say me think when there is so that obi biara okwame ewo mamuchi imu amanya to imi enye obia na asem wetu otimi ni hufi me say me danyankopon ase say wetimi ejimi etie me paibo ejimi fi asem we me say me da nya me say me danyankopon ase we yimi fi asem we me say me da me papa ayeye president Nana Akuapem ase so so me nuanu media for and me fans make if sending petition a man one look it on me na otie me na Attorney General so be so mu na omutie me no mutie me no mutimi yimi fi anu because I say why I become no
All right.
Let's get her some tissue, please.
Okay, so let's leave it here for the time. Maybe just a question. What was it like being in prison? No. We haven't gone.
I support you, my brother. Oh, is she going? No room for question. Have we ended it? Oh.
Sorry, we will have to just end it here.
So why do you call it a press conference?
Yeah, it was
Because a press conference is supposed to be an interactive session with
questions.
the media. So we ask questions.
great.
So don't just come and do a vote of thanks.
So you can ask the question. We would answer.
Where is she to answer? But where is she to answer?
Do you want to wait?
No, look. If no. Boss.
Yes. Wait, then let's wait for that. We don't want you to answer.
She put herself together and then we can take it from there. Yeah.
And she's bowing her head and I understand. Please. So let me just
Okay.